everyone. Today, our group will talk about something that sounds super adult, stock in bonds.
Basically, how rich people make their money.
Well, not just rich people, Julie. Anyone can invest in stock and bonds if they understand how they work.
Okay, let's start with stocks. When you buy a stock, you're actually buying a tiny piece of a company. Imagine owning a part of a Jollibee or SM. If that company earns profit, your stock's value goes up and you can make money too.
So if I buy 10 shares of Jollibee, does that mean I get 10 free Chicken Joy meals?
Sadly, no. You just own a small part of the company, not the menu.
Stocks are risky though. The price can go up or down depending on how the company performs.
Now, let's move to bonds.
Right. Bonds are different. They are like a loan. When you buy a bond, you're lending your money to the government or company, then they pay you back later with interest.
It's like saying, "Hey government, I lend you 1,000 now, but pay me back 1,100 later."
Exactly. Bonds are usually safer than stocks, but they give smaller earnings. Stocks can give higher rewards, but also higher risk.
So, in short, stocks, ownership and risk, bonds, lending and safety.
So, whether you choose stock or bonds, remember, investing is about patience, knowledge, and a little bit of courage.
And that's our presentation on stock and bonds.